to make money off of the crazy situation that we're all currently dealing with? If so, I've got something really exciting to tell you about in my review of the SociTransformers uh, life insurance kit, for lack of a better term. I'm not sure exactly what they're calling it, but it's a really, really cool thing. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming right up. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. And well, regular viewers of the channel already know it's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. And I am one of the very few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, of course, there's also my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you are not new, feel free to skip ahead. In fact, you know what? If you are not new to the channel, go ahead and take a couple minutes to go and find White Collar with my buddy Neil on, I think it's on Netflix or something. Really, really cool show. Then come back here, finish watching my video, then go and finish watching White Collar because it's an awesome show. Anyway, but if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. Now, why would I do such a thing? Well, it's actually quite simple. It's because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, every single day you gotta do that? Can't you come up with a new line? Folks, maybe we should start a GoFundMe for Bart so he can finally get himself a new line. What do you all say? Seriously, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz Lemon. Liz is a sweetheart, isn't she? I love Liz. And yeah, if you are new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, well, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, welcome. We are on the sales page for the SociTransformers Life Insurance Agents Edition. That's quite a mouthful. Life Insurance Agents Edition. Anyhow, okay, so what exactly is this thing? Why would you want it? And why would you want to get it from me specifically? Okay, well, let's start with why you want to get it specifically from me. In order to tell you that, I kind of have to tell you a little bit about it. I'm going to show you the members area in just a second. Basically, what this is a done-for-you package where you can basically go ahead and provide a service. It's all done for you. It'll take you a few minutes to do it, by the way. So you're not like really providing a service. You provide a service to life insurance agents, and you make money by selling them this service. And I'll explain to you what the service is, but first I got to tell you about my custom bonus. Now, you see, before I got into affiliate marketing, working with local businesses, specifically like life insurance companies, was my bread and butter. This was how I made my living. My very first product launch ever in the online marketing space was Local Video Jackpot, where I taught how I was able to make money by selling videos to local businesses. And I basically put together a set of done-for-you videos inside of Local Video Jackpot. You've got a set of 10 done-for-you videos on various niches that you were able to actually go ahead and resell. So in order to make this a really no-brainer for you to pick it up from me as opposed to somebody else, okay, what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to give you Local Video Jackpot. You may already have it. That's fine. If you don't have it, you'll have it. You're going to have my specific method for finding businesses, which is a really, really cool method that nobody else uses. Okay, it's going to show you how to do that, and you get all the other bonuses that come with Local Video Jackpot. There's like a zillion bonuses there. All right, but what I'm going to give you, which nobody else is going to give you, I put together a custom-made video just for life insurance agents. Okay, the members area of SociTransformers Life Insurance Edition does not come with this particular video. All right, it comes with graphics packs and other kind of materials that you can set them up with. You can set them up for Facebook pages and stuff like that. You can make money off of that. But I'm going to give you a custom-made video that you can actually go ahead and sell as part of your package, basically. And using the methods inside Local Video Jackpot, you'll be able to customize it for them easily. And you're going to get that for free along with Local Video Jackpot. I'm also going to give you my own Unstoppable. Now, why am I giving you Unstoppable as well? Okay, so Unstoppable is basically about creating the video intros. Like you see in my video right after I do my cold open, you see that video with with my logo flying around and stuff. It's actually going to be changing soon, by the way, because I'm going to be rebranding as Man in the Hat officially very, very soon. But anyway, in Unstoppable, basically, I taught how to have them made cheaply, and I also provided a set of done-for-you templates that you can customize using PowerPoint to make such things for free. So what I want you to be able to do with Unstoppable, combined with Local Video Jackpot, is to provide you with a leg up over anybody else who picks up SociTransformers Life Insurance Edition. Basically, what you're going to get is you're going to have this custom-made video that nobody else is going to have. Only you and anybody who picks it up from me is going to have this video ready to give or sell to customers. I usually charge $200 for such a video. So you can do that. You have this video available, all right, that you can go ahead and customize. I show you how to do it in about 5 or 10 minutes. And you're also going to have 10 video intros that you can actually use to create a custom-made video intro with your customer's logo inside to basically add on to this video that I'm creating for you. Okay, so you're going to have both of those things as the basic package. If you pick up any upgrade to this package of the SociTransformers Life Insurance Agents Edition, sorry, it's really a mouthful, isn't it? Then what I'm going to do is like this. Instead of you being able to offer just the one video that everyone else is going to have, you'll be able to actually tell your customers, here's a sample video. I'm going to make you a custom video, and for every single upgrade you purchase, you get another custom video made for me. I usually charge $200 a piece for these custom videos. So that's a huge, huge benefit. You're going to be able to make these custom videos, and you'll have them available. As many upgrades as you purchase, you'll be able to get them. If you run out of them, you're also going to have a discount offer to get them for $99 a piece, and you can resell them to your customers for $200 or $300 a piece because they're custom-made videos that are specifically for your customers. So that's going to be another big advantage for you. Picking up any upgrade, you'll be able to get these things. So it's a really, really nice package. Okay, and basically, I'll show you the members area right now. Basically, it's going to teach you exactly how to use this whole system. By the way, the logo, you're adding a logo to the graphics. You're also getting a set of done-for-you logos that you can customize. I'm going to show you how to do that with free software. That's part of Unstoppable. You're going to have that as well included with the package. So that's also a nice little extra bonus. Okay, but basically it's going to show you how to set everything up in here. You're going to have how to provide the service to your customers. Okay, you're going to have the complete done-for-you package. So everything is finished. It's all done for you. You don't have to do any work. You just go ahead and use it. All right, and then of course you're going to have all these things about how to actually get clients. And again, you're also going to have Local Video Jackpot. It's going to teach you how to get additional clients. So let's see if I'm going to give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
You rock!
You know what? I love these kinds of things because you deal with real people and real businesses. And right now, given what's going on in the world with the pandemic and everything going crazy all over the entire world, especially in the United States, but really everywhere in the world, people are always nervous. Can I get life insurance? What happens if the worst should come to the worst? Will my family be able to survive? And so a lot of people are looking for life insurance right now. I keep hearing it, by the way, all the time from some of my favorite YouTubers. They all are hawking life insurance like there's no tomorrow. And you know what? If they are going to be doing that, that means they're making money off of it. You can make money off of it too. Go ahead and grab this one. This one is worth it. You're going to love it.